Hi viewers, this is Vetravel. Today we can discuss about how to export and import the managed solution in one instance to another instance. So by basically you have the three type of the solution. One is a default solution, managed solution, unmanaged solution. Default solution means it is provided by Microsoft. You can make the customization in the default solution. So if you want, you can create the more solution in that CRM. So managed solution means the solution should be the distributed and installed in one instance to another instance. The unmanagement solution means still the under deployment you cannot able to move or install the unmanaged solution into another instance. So let's begin. So open your instance and go to the advanced settings and choose the settings and open the all solution. You can see here these are the solution by default given by Microsoft. So if you want, you can create the new solution. Type the test, choose the publisher. I'm giving the default publisher and type the version. So save and close. So you can see here, so we have created one solution. That solution should be unmanaged solution. So now we are going to export the managed solution to one instance to another instance. I'm going to another instance. So go to the settings and choose the solution. So you can see here, so generally you can export the managed solution from the default solution. I'm going to choose the default solution. So click the add existing. I'm going to export the SLA. Scroll down and choose the SLA configurations. You can see here the component of the solution should be default SLA. Click OK. So now we are going to export this solution. So click the export and click next. If you want, you can check this option, exporting system settings. If you don't want, you can leave it. Click the next. You can see here that there is a two option, so unmanaged and managed solution. So the unmanaged solution means not distributed the solution. So managed solution means you can install another instance or the another people. So choose the managed solution and export. So now you can see here we have exported managed solution is downloaded. Just save and close this one and go to your another instance and you need to import your solution. Choose the import icon. So go to the download section and choose the managed solutions. Click next, managed solution and click next and import. So now you can see here we have successfully imported the solution and close. So click the publish all. So now we have imported the solution and publish it and refresh the page and go to see the imported solution. This is recently we have imported solution and I click and see this what are the component we have imported. So by default we have imported, so these are the SLA configuration settings. I hope this video very useful to you, and if you want to check the imported solution in your application site, go to the settings and choose the service level agreement and see the imported solution. Thanks for watching.